My working son, very hard working. Even though holiday, but he's still working. His work in from office, he bring in home to do. He is a hard working son. He is always thinking about of his work. Even though that it is holiday, but he still do his work. God bless you, anak ko. He is always doing his work. From office, bring home. He always make everything in order in his work. Thank you for watching, my dear friend. Thank you for supporting my YouTube channel. Please watch, subscribe, and share. Thank you. God bless you all over the world. My subscriber, thank you for your support. God bless you all. Hello, good evening. Please continue support me. Happy Chinese New Year. Konghe konghe fa choy. Wishing you all good health and abundance, prosperity. Have a good 2025 year. God bless you all. Doing his computer. His work from his office, he bring home. He continue doing his work. Happy New Year, everyone. Thank you for watching my YouTube. Please continue to support me to grow my YouTube channel. Thank you. God bless you all.